What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video is about the Husky compact folding utility knife. Check this thing out. Pretty nice. You know, we're coming upon the Christmas specials over at the Home Depot. And I went the other day and picked up a few things I'd like to show you on the video here. This was about $5.29. All right, it's the Husky utility knife. It's a compact folding utility knife. Comes with a blade, one blade. All right, it's a pretty good setup here. It's got an aluminum handle. All right, so let's take a look and we'll open this guy up and see what we have. We even have a belt clip on the back side. So let's open this box up. The packaging here. You know, with the plastic these days, everything is just rough. All right. Let's move the garbage out of the way real quick. Tell you what, it's a nice little knife. All right. I like to keep a lot of these around. Keep them in the toolboxes. Keep them in the trailer. You could even keep one in your pocket during the day. All right. It's got the button here to fold it down. All right. Nice little compact little tool here. It's got the easy removal to remove the blade. It's that easy removable feature. This little lever, and you're going to bring it over to the right, and then you're going to slide the piece down. And this way you could remove the blade. If the blade gets dull on one side, you just flip it over. All right, put it back in its place. And then you're going to slide this back up, lock it into place. Very simple, nice design. And again, you can keep these in your toolbox. You can keep one in your pocket, keep one in the car. You never know if you might need it. You know what I mean? Nice design. Again, it's the Husky. It's the compact folding utility knife. Opens right back up. Nice. The only thing I don't see is an area to keep extra blades, which it doesn't have. Like your normal utility knives still have them in the handle, but this is fine. And again, for under $6, you can't go wrong. Go out and get yourself a Husky utility knife. Good. It's a great stocking stuffer, or just a knife to have around the house. You want to open up boxes, cut down boxes, put them out in recycling, you know, things like that. But there you go. It's the Husky folding knife. Hope you enjoyed the little review here. And go out and get yourself one of these knives. What do we got to do now? Hey, Sonny, where are you, son? Are you there? Sonny.
Yes, Sonny.